Mindanao residents feeling the wrath of a low-pressure area and the shear line. Intense rains hit the Zamboanga Peninsula and Basilan in the Bangsamoro region. Flood waters reached up to 8 feet deep in some areas in Zamboanga City. Residents brought to safer ground with infants and toddlers brought along in plastic basins. Trees fell down on houses, toppled by strong winds. In Zamboanga del Norte, 18 towns struggling to pick up the pieces. Authorities reported 5 fatalities, 2 from the town of Manukan and 1 each from Dipolog, Siocon, and Piñan. Over 6,000 people are still seeking refuge in evacuation centers, with floodwaters yet to subside. Zamboanga del Norte Disaster Officer in Charge Dennis Tenorio says search and rescue efforts are still underway.
Marami na rescue. Ongoing pa rin dahil minsan yung the upper part ng municipal flooded, doon naman sa lower part. Mataas ang tubig, mataas pa. Malapit sa riverbank, above shoulder. Pero yung doon lang sa malayo-layo, merong knee-deep at saka may mababa pa.
Tenorio advises people to keep their guards up.
Payo natin is talaga, magiging vigilant lang sila. Kung makita lang medyo heavy yung ulan, magtilikas na sila doon sa higher ground at saka kung may mga advisories lang matanggap from their barangay disaster council at saka yung mga local government, dapat sundin nila dahil sa kabuti na yun.
Basilan disaster officials say the weather has improved in the province, but they don't want to be complacent either.
Hangin malakas nakapekto rin sa ibang mga coastal communities natin. Yun na lang bali ang ating na-experience ngayon. Pero just the same, we are still expecting na pwedeng magbago ang panahon. Ready tayo to respond to any eventuality.
As of Thursday, over 2,100 families were forced to evacuate, but authorities assure relief for those affected as they continue to be on alert for more flooding. Currie Cator, CNN Philippines.